Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by prepping both devices. Enable the camera's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and set it to Connect mode so the app can see it. Once done, open the Canon Camera Connect app on your phone and grant camera and location permissions. This lets the app pair reliably. Make sure the camera battery is above 20% and the two devices sit within about 10 meters. Now select Connect to Camera in the app. This first step establishes the communication channel that everything else depends on. You'll now pair and configure. After choosing your camera model, follow the app's pairing flow, enter the PIN shown on the camera or scan the camera's QR code, because secure pairing prevents connection errors. Once paired, choose what you need. Remote live view for shooting, image transfer for auto backup, or settings sync to mirror camera preferences. Then adjust image size, quality, and transfer rules. These settings control bandwidth and storage, so pick smaller sizes for slow networks and full quality when you need originals. You're almost done. Use remote live view to frame shots. Tap to focus, adjust exposure, then trigger the shutter from your phone. This gives better control and avoids touching the camera. For transfers, watch the status so you can pause or retry when the network spikes. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot both devices, revoke and regrant app permissions, and if needed, reset the camera's network settings. This clears stale pairings and usually restores a clean connection fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.